let's unbox the ultimate bracket for a JL. So you bought yourself an ultimate bracket from 500 Stones. You've got a brand new JL or a JLU. See what you get in here. We packed them really solid. In here, you have a hardware pack. Has everything we're going to need. And the JL bracket. You can see this bracket is thick and beefy. And you might say to yourself, if you're only planning on using this for your license plate, why is it so thick? If you add off-road lights to this, you're going to need it to be thick. So this is what you get out of the box. That's the JL bracket. And inside here, you get two extended lugs that are 85 millimeters long that are going to mount inside the third wheel well. Two bolts to mount that on. You get two bolts for your license plate, the washers for your license plate, and nylon coated nuts.